This model kit review is of the Lamborghini Countach, the LP400, and this is a 1/24 scale model by Aoshima. There are the dimensions there. Got some very nice box art and nice pictures of the model. Some of the details here. Colors there. There are a lot of sprues for this model. Wow. Well, let's start off with the body. That's that classic Countach body. And molding quality is amazing. This is actually the Periscopio edition. You can see that that little glass area there. You're supposed to be able to look out like a periscope out back because you couldn't see anything through that rear window. But all of this is all just support frame. These tiny little A and B pillars will just break without them. So, but beautifully molded. Look at that. Over here, looks like we've got part of our engine mounts here, and that's our exhaust, also very nicely molded. Here we've got our cabin with the speakers on the side, our central console. Seats will go here. Here is the dashboard. Here we go, there's the top part of it. Insides of the doors, our pedal box and steering wheel. Very nicely molded. And then those are the classic Countach rear lights, molded in red. That's very nice. Here are the side skirts, our air intakes. We've got license plates here. Looks like our headlights, the pop-up headlights there, and that's probably our door hinges. Here are the doors. Look at those, classic, with the window frame there. Okay, these sprues here, this looks like this is part of our engine here at enormous V12. All parts for the engine bay, our radiators, and the air intakes, radiator parts there for the fan. And we've got some chrome parts here. There's the injectors here and parts for our engine. Here are the wheels, so front and rear are wider. Not the typical later Countach wheels with the 5 holes, but these are nice, and the chrome is very nice looking. Looks like that's part of our exhaust cover there. You can see the grille mesh molded in there. Here are some ducts, the vents, very nicely molded there. There's our front lights and side mirrors there. There's the single windshield wiper. Here's the front bumper. It had ducts as well. Okay, now we've got that hood, the engine cover, engine hood. Looks like it's going to be hinged, so it'll go up and down like that. We've got some orange for the brake lights there, and blinker lights. Here are the typical, not quite so curved, Lamborghini seats. Our steering column there, handbrake, and rear view mirror there. There's the stick shift. It's all very nicely molded. Really good quality molding. Here are some chrome parts. There's the rear lights. Looks like some exhaust parts here. And there are the headlights. So here we have our suspension parts, and then looks like wheel hubs. This must be front. I'll have to look to see what that's for. That might be for mounting. Looks like some bolts will go in there, or screws. Now here is a this is a windshield, but it's black, and it's not the final windshield, but what you're supposed to do with this is put it in place to stabilize the A pillars while you paint and everything else, and then you take this out and put the real one in, the glass one. So that's a very nice feature for a difficult model. Here's our glass. There's the real front windshield. We've got our lights, headlights, the rear glass, side glass, parts for our behind this is the rear quarter glass there. Here is our door glass, which makes it look like a World War II fighter plane. And nicely molded, nice and clear, no warping. Okay, well, here is our chassis with wheel wells. We've got some our suspension parts, subframe parts here. Here we have our steering rack, some axles. Very nicely molded. These chrome parts here, we've got wheel hubs, our headlights, and then we've also got our this is the bottom of the engine and transmission. Very nicely molded. Here we've got our tires, and looks like we've got some metal pieces here, probably like for the doors to go up and down, and then some poly caps there. Okay, here looks like we've got some wire mesh and some decals. I guess that's just protective there. And then over here we've got our masks for the glass. That's nice. Okay, here we've got our instructions. And we're going to look at here the colors needed. And those are for the body colors: red, yellow, green or orange. And the colors for the other parts. Okay, let's have a look here at our that's the paint and decal guide. I'm going to put the rear it looks like that's the suspension on there. There's the front suspension here with the steering rack, put our tires on. So I guess that's the rear suspension. Just turned over there. There's the front. Okay, and there's the bottom of the engine. We're putting the rear together with that whole engine bay and suspension there. The wheels going on with the tires. Here's building the interior. So these the dashboard and different options for the internal colors, interior colors. Putting our seats in there, central console, our dashboard, building our engine, and then shows you here how to put the black windshield on there. Then you put the headlights together. Mount those. Looks like those will go up and down, so that's a nice feature. Putting the rear on there, front bumper, front glass, and then our doors. And then we're putting the engine deck lid on, the extra glass there, and that's putting the mesh on there for the sides. We've got the grills, and then finally remove that and put the real glass on there, and then the doors are going on there with hinges. We then mount everything onto the chassis, and then that's the door pin there. Sides are going on there, and then the metal pin there. Here we're going to put, yep, so that is for if you want to put it on in a showcase, the screws and nuts there to hold it in place, and then putting your exhaust on there. Here are the parts listing. Looks like all the parts are being used, and that is a phenomenal model.